Good morning, Plumpton High School. This is Mackenzie White with a few words of wisdom. The great American author Maya Angelou once said that you can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Most of us need to be heard and to be understood. We need to communicate our thoughts, our dreams, and our hopes for the future. For some of us, the best way to communicate who we are is through art or music. For others, it is dance or drama. For Maya Angelou, it was the written word. Discovering a creative way to express yourself. That part of you that knows something special, something original. That part of you that feels things very deeply is not just fun but important. When you have an opportunity to express yourself in a creative way, go for it. Locked inside, you could be another Picasso or Mark Twain or Maya Angelou. Let the world see and know and understand who you are and what's special and unique about you. With something to think about, this is Mackenzie White. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. The football team will be on the road for round 1 of the playoffs at Montgomery Academy. We will have more information later in the week. The middle school teams will play at home today against W.S. Neal. Tip-off is at 5 p.m.
Now